want to do this.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, Blush by Malik. Today we're doing this DIY PJ mask jacket for Roro. Today is his birthday. All you're going to need is some inkjet transfer to dark paper, a inkjet printer, and of course the iron in the jacket. Next, you're going to go to Google and type in PJ mask PNG and pick out whatever figures you want. These are the ones me and Roro chose, and this is how I designed my paper before printing on paint. Once printed, you're going to cut out your figures and remove the backing very carefully because you don't want to cut his arm or foot off. Place it wherever you want, put the paper over that they give you, and iron it down. Once that's done, I'm going to take my finger and rub it around the edges just to make sure that everything is nice and adhered. Moving on to the sky and doing the same. I'm just going to straighten the arm out and use that seam that's naturally in there to align GEKKO, I think his name is. This is Roro's favorite character, so I wanted to incorporate him more than anybody else. Going on to the back, these letters are actually the same color as GEKKO. I used the little dropper tool and paint, and I'm going to arrange them how I wanted. I decided to go with kind of like an arched look for his name. And I'm going to use my fingers to kind of center the whole thing, and I'm going to use the paper to make sure that his name is nice and straight. And I'm just going to take my time with this, make sure that it's exactly how I want it before I iron it down, because once it's ironed down, it's not going to be able to be moved. And this is the final design I chose before putting the heat on it, and this is what it looks like after. It turned out really cute. I love it so much. Roro actually loves YouTube and watches it all the time, so I'm letting him model it, and I'm gonna let him finish out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
You look so handsome, Roro.
Ow, it's so
You're gonna get used to it in a second.
I like
Okay, just look at your jacket. Who is this? Who is this?
PJ mask.
That's PJ Mask? And who is this in the back right here?
Mommy.
Romeo?
Echo.
Echo?
Yeah. I don't know what I'm back my jacket. What do you need to do now? Who is this?
That came from this guy right here.
It's Romeo?
Yeah.
It's good, guys.
Good job.
Can I go film again now?
Yeah, let me take some pictures of you, okay?